For those wrestling with spotty Wi-Fi, the Synology MR2200AC provides extended Wi-Fi coverage with enhanced roaming support. Coupled with the intuitive Synology Router Manager operating system, you can keep all the devices on your network connected and secure. Mesh Wi-Fi works by replacing your existing router with a series of Wi-Fi points, blanketing your home with broadband internet speeds, all accessible via the same credentials. The MR2200AC comes equipped with an additional 5 GHz band that can be used for communication between Wi-Fi points, reducing overall network congestion and providing superior performance compared to a dual-band system. Your whole network can be centrally managed via Synology's intuitive router management software, Synology Router Manager, or SRM. Rest easily knowing your kids are browsing the internet safely with advanced parental controls from SRM's Safe Access package. Safe Access's intelligent time management and web filtering tools let you limit excessive internet use and keep your kids away from inappropriate content. Safe Access keeps all the users on your network protected with integrated Google Safe Browsing and DNS IP threat intelligence, helping you block malicious attacks and defend against phishing attempts. SRM also comes with a range of advanced features ideal for professional users, including high-speed SSL VPN support, bandwidth control and monitoring, and file sharing services. To find out more about MR2200AC and Synology Router Manager 1.2, visit the links in the description.